This financial unrest has many concerned about the stability of local banks, and for good reason. Several national experts have argued that inaction could hurt loans and credit lines on a local level. KY3's David Katniss went out to find out some details for us and is live outside Citizens National Bank with those details. Dave?
Ethan, there has not been a big impact on local banks just yet, but they are in a delicate watch and wait pattern, and if you're looking for a loan, expect a bit more scrutiny.
The Bank of Ash Grove is the oldest in Greene County, dealing with mostly smaller loans under $1 million. The local customers here have no reason to panic, but loan officer Michael McCorkle says if you come through the door, expect to be asked a few more questions to verify your income.
More proof that that is their actual income on which we can base the repayment ability for the loan request.
What happens up there can certainly have a trickle down, and I think that's what we're all waiting to see.
Citizens National Bank CEO Frank Hilton says the meltdown of large financial institutions proves one thing: the era of the easy, no-frills loan is over.
I think really for us, any tightening of lending standards that we're going to see in the Springfield market is probably nothing more than a return to prudent lending.
Still, as Congress goes back to the drawing board on a bailout, there seems to be a disconnect between urgency in Washington and skepticism among the public. In Springfield Tuesday, Mississippi Governor Haley Barbour said a better case needs to be made.
This is not the purpose to keep stock prices high on Wall Street. What is the purpose is for small businesses and large and for families to have credit available to them. Successful big businesses that are making big profits find it difficult to borrow money.
At Citizens National, Hilton says there's no halt to processing small business loans.
If you have a job and you have decent credit, we're not going to look at you any differently, or we aren't looking at you any differently today than we would have 6 months ago.
But even in quiet Ash Grove, your history will get a thorough review, and McCorkle says the size of the loan will matter.
It is a concern from top to bottom, but a lot of it will depend on amounts requested and the purpose requested.
What he means is that in this environment right now, it's a lot easier to grant a $3,000 car loan than it is to grant a $3 million commercial loan. But Governor Barbour painted a vivid picture on why he believes this bailout needs to pass, and we've put that video on the political blog. Go to KY3.com and click on Decision 2008 if you're interested in that. Ethan.
All right, we'll check it out online. David Katniss live for us tonight.